French toast. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Power Skills. Today we'll be learning how to make French toast. So first you need to wash your hands if you're cooking or making anything. So the ingredients are toast, egg, milk, sugar and salt. So first you take your bowl and you take your egg and crack it inside the bowl. Then you take 3 spoons, first you need to whisk it before you put in the milk. Properly mix it. Okay. Then you take 3 spoons of milk. If you have a medium-sized egg, 2 spoons will be enough of milk. Then you take your sugar, put at least a spoon. Then you put a tiny bit of salt. And then you mix it again. Okay. Then you take your toast and you dip it in the mixture that you just made, and make sure you just put it in, you don't soak it up in there. And you will need a non-stick pan for 2.5 minutes. You put it on a medium heat on each side until dried. Okay. I'll see you in a few minutes. So guys, a few minutes has passed and this is how our French toast looks. Doesn't it look amazing? Also, some people like a bit more sugar, so if you want you can add a bit more to it like that. And now enjoy. Guys, thank you for watching my channel Power Skills. Hope you like it. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.